All right, guys. Today has been a slow day. I'm still trying to recover from my um, foot arthritis, gout, whatever it was. But I finally can walk a little bit, and that feels really, really good. Anyway, we're going to try to do a little vlog and
Yeah, get away by the music.
get away from the music a little bit. We're actually at a birthday party today. And when Filipinos celebrate birthday, it has to be with a lot of food, a lot of loud music. And another thing I noticed is that women sits in one room and the men in the other room. And the men are dipping into the bottle a little bit, sharing drinks, and enjoy their time together. But we are out walking around, so let's go back to the walk. Um, and the street we're walking on right now is a ghost town. This town has gone through a lot of things over the last few years, and there's still a lot of battles going on with it. But we are kind of amazed that this is happening. But it's a flourishing community, and here you can see, you know, if we go around, it's completely empty. You see some of the houses, doors are knocked in, windows are crushed. You see right here, windows are broken. And it's just sitting there going to waste. But the point of this video is it's a flourishing community, and I'm going to take you through a street where people live, and you can see the very vast difference. And then also how they decorate the city at night. We're going to take a little stroll later on. It'll be the later part of this video, and show you how they decorate the town with lights, or the community with lights and everything. And it's pretty amazing. Here's the main street coming in from the main entrance, and we are kind of at the far end of the street. I see the lights as they have been coming on. We probably shouldn't walk in the middle of the street. We might get run over. And today we have a little help. We have a little helper today, vlogging with us. Just taking a little walk down the street.
Yeah, later on, this area it would be turned to be a beautiful.
Yeah, the lights are coming on, and
beautiful
decorations.
It's like a Christmas here.
Right. Early Christmas.
Yeah, early Christmas.
And you know, if we look down this way, maybe we should go down this way. This is an area, I think, where people actually are living. Let's walk over here. This area is huge. I don't know. Somebody said there's 3,000 some homes in here.
Yeah.
And you know, if you look here, right, I'm going to go over here and get it a little closer. You can see people are really taking care of their homes, planting, garden, trees, and some people are dumping stuff, but come on, let's go this way. But people are gardening, and that's the whole point, you know. People are trying to Despite the circumstances here, people are trying to make it livable and nice. So that's a good thing. So we can go down this street, right?
Yeah.
And then later on we will come back to the lights. Once the dark has set in completely, we're going to come down here and do some do a little short blog in the entrance.
This area is so quiet.
Yeah, some areas are really nice and quiet. Here I think you have some homes there are people are living
Yeah, some
in.
some of units are still available.
Right.
No, I mean empty,
Empty.
not available. It's empty.
Empty, yes. It's a tragic situation for a lot of people. A lot of Filipinos invested their life savings in the dream of getting a house and getting a home, and they've been basically totally screwed at some point. Here we have a little kitty cat.
Oh, that one is breed. There's a breed on that one.
Yeah, that's at least a mix.
Scottish or something like that. Wing.
It looked like it had a little bit of Siamese cat in it. So. You are talking a lot today? Huh? You want to do the blogging? Huh? So you're going to talk? All right, tell me what we're seeing. What you doing now? Huh? Yeah.
It's like it's good to get out from
Yeah.
our house.
Yeah, well, we've been at the birthday party, like we said, and Filipinos, they love that karaoke.
We love so loud music.
And it's, to my liking, it's a little too loud.
Yeah. Sometimes
You know, you can't even have a conversation,
Yeah.
to be honest with you. So here we're coming down on another street, and it looks pretty good. Most of these homes here are occupied apparently.
Oh, look! There's a guava.
Guava tree? Is this guava?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Galit.
Are you guys running behind?
Yeah, you're so fast.
Yeah, I know.
Why you're so fast?
Well, I can walk again.
Yeah. Even if you have a gout problem, you walk so fast.
Yeah, there we have some kittens.
Yeah.
All right.
Kuya, la, sige. May mumu doon na lang.
Is it Momo here?
La.
Momo is ghost, right?
Yeah.
All right. So when it gets dark, he says there's a Momo. Guava?
There's no guava.
No guava here, my friend.
Yeah, hello, okay, so dark na.
Here it's getting dark.
Getting dark.
And a lot of people have put up their little sari stores around here. And
Siyempre, sa bahay natin.
this is the street, I think. So we come back the other way. Going around about 4 or 5 blocks. And we're gonna come down this way. I think this is Ralph Street. Yep. That's where they have the birthday party today. All right, guys.
So this
Just,
is a short
Stay tuned
video.
for the lights.
Push back when the rain falls.
All right, guys, I had to get this shot in. The skies are absolutely beautiful tonight, and I wanted to share it with you before we take a ride down to the main entrance. Show you a little bit about the lights and what's going on there. Just want to share that even in hard circumstances, where people are having a lot of trouble, and they take care of the community, it is a beautiful thing. All right, so let's ride down there and come on for the ride, and we'll see you at the end of this little ride.
Stop all the bullshit, get around to it. I'm yours, I can prove it. Have faith and we make it, lose faith and we break it. Takes hard dedication. Love, I love you every second, even when we mess up. We need to get on track now, now. Bye-bye's not a plan, love. It's just another give up. I'll run overseas, save your love for me, save it.
All right, so we are at the front entrance here, and this is the front gate. Right down here, and what we said is, wanted to show you how to decorate it. Despite all the struggles in here for families and homeowners and all that, they keep it up very well. It is, and they light it up. There's hundreds of stars around the streets, and here's the circle right around the entrance here in Xevera. So it's a lot of activities, and in here we have a little park. I guess we have a little park. The kids are in here playing, and if you go down this street, you have starlights all the way down to the end of this. Where you have literally thousands of homes. It's a little shopping corner. I just wanted to show you around here a little bit. It is pretty cool. It is pretty cool. Yeah, the airplane coming into Clark. There's an airplane coming into Clark. And
Airport. You said no, it's airport.
you wants to go to the airport?
Dapat kita ngayon. Mabutot na ako. Mga park na.
All right, so this is the like a little shopping center area. A few drugstores, 7-Eleven, and some other stores. Down there, I don't know if you can see it up here. I think there you can see the church and the cross. And here we got the main entrance. Alright, so this guy has been, little guy here has been our helper today. What's your name?
Andrew.
Andrew. Saint Andrew, right? Kinabato? Okay. So, where is your mother today?
What's your mom daw? Work?
Oh, Mother is working. All right, guys, this has been a little walk around here in Xevera again. We have done a couple of 3 videos up here over the past year. We were here at a birthday party and we felt we didn't have much time to go and do anything else today. So, what are you saying?
I don't know. He's talking about that. I don't understand.
He's talking. Hey,
Oh, look na doon.
look at the camera.
Look at the camera.
All right, so we're gonna sign off, guys. This is it for today. Share, like, subscribe, hit the bell, and we go from there. Can you say bye-bye?
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye.